We did promise you an air fryer Friday recipe that was ooey, gooey, and crispy. So here we go, and as you know, I'm not a chef, but that is why these recipes are so doable for you watching. Okay, so I wanted to make something that the kids could really get their hands into, right? Because it is going to be a chilly weekend.
Right.
So we are going to make some pizza bites that are gluten-free. They're light, they're crispy, they can be as spicy, as ooey, as gooey as you want. So we're starting with rice paper, and I found this at Publix, and I put a little bit of oil on this plate right here after a little trial and failure.
Okay.
So this is the rice paper. I haven't done anything to it. It's not wet yet, and I'm just going to plop this first piece just right down here in that oil, just to kind of get it on that side.
Okay.
The next step is we're going to build our little pizzas on here, our little mini pizzas, and I'm a fan, especially with the kids, of using scissors to do things. So we're going to do, you want to cut up, I don't know, maybe give me 5 little hunks
So cut the strips?
Yeah.
Or this?
Cut little hunks of that cheese there, and
So
we're just going to
about
kind of
5?
place them. Yeah, do about 5 of those. We'll put one like right here, and then one here, there, and there. So
Chuck
it's as
it.
easy as can be. Also, I don't mind that it doesn't dirty up a lot of plates. You know, this is going to be a pretty
Not going to be
quick thing.
super messy.
Yeah, no. So we're gonna, these are gonna move around a little bit until we're ready. Now, just to make it even more of a fun kid activity, why don't you dip your pepperoni into your pizza sauce before placing it over your cheese?
So this is where we get messy.
This is where we can certainly get messy.
So do I put it just
I
one
would
slice
put it, on top of each thing. Now, anything you would normally put in a pizza, you could be doing that
Oh,
here.
you could do like
and
veggies.
I'm gonna switch place with you.
Not saying that I
places
do
with you.
veggies, but you
and
know.
I'm gonna, while you're doing that, I'm gonna start getting this other piece of rice paper nice and wet. So I'm dipping this in the water, getting it really pliable, because we are going to need to put it over top of that. Good, perfect, perfect. All right, so now this is coming over on top of this.
Switch.
So this is where we start, and then you're gonna start kind of just molding it,
Kind of sealing it.
kind of sealing it in there. You like that? And then it takes a minute, so you're gonna really have to get in there and
Oh, so you got to really
really seal
play
it
with
up.
it. Okay.
Because then what you're going to do is pick the whole sheet up and cut it. So we're gonna, I promise this works eventually, but you have to kind of keep adding some water
I got you.
until it really, really starts to seal. You see how this is becoming
A little tighter, yeah.
a little
yeah.
tighter? I think you might even want to get the top of the inside sheet a little bit moist
yeah.
too. There, just kind of create that seal. There we
All
go.
right, so we get that wet.
So we
then
did
cut
that, and then we picked it up. Once it dries, you're gonna let it dry, and then you're just gonna start cutting it up. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Because I made a batch already. Here, I'm pulling out. It
Oh.
should be nice and cooled off.
Oh, they are crispy.
Yeah, exactly. So
Oh,
this is
you
what
know
they come
what?
out looking like. These little, kind of like a clear wonton looking thing.
And it's funny. Oh, here, I'll take a bite so we can try.
That's really good. It tastes like
Wonderful.
it tastes like the part of the pizza when just the cheese is super melted on the crust.
All right.
It's so good.
This is a good one. All right.
All right, thank you.
Well
I wish I
played.
could have got that part to stick and showed you how I cut it, but it's a whole thing.
Sometimes it's really about the finished product. And don't worry about the aesthetic. It tastes good. All right, Eden, well played.
We'll be right back.
Yes, we will.